Hello, here I am again, Cindy, and this time I have for you, as part of New York City on your own steam, a guide on how to get you safely and economically from LaGuardia International Airport to Times Square Station, 42nd Street. Before you arrive in New York, before you even leave to come to New York, let me suggest that you download from the internet a copy of the New York City subway map. You may even get a New York City bus map, but the subway is where we're going to start, because that's how you're going to get there economically from LaGuardia. As you exit the train, look for the ground transportation hub. So once you've arrived at the ground transportation hub, look for the MTA, Metropolitan Transit Authority. It will be a vending machine. And at the vending machine, you're going to need to have a credit card or a debit card or something like that to purchase yourself a Metro card. Metro cards are used to ride the buses and subways that are owned by the Metropolitan Transit Authority of New York City. And that's where your rides are $2.75 a ride. I'd say that's economical. So purchase that, and then look for the MTA bus stop. You're going to look for the specific bus stop for the Q70-SBS bus. That's Q70-SBS bus towards Woodside 61st Street Station. When that bus arrives, you are going to board that bus and use your Metro card for the first time to get on that bus. Now that bus comes every 12 minutes or so, so if you see it in the distance and you are missing it, that's okay. If it's on time, it should be back again, another one in 12 minutes. Now, the next step, which is step 4, I should have been numbering them, but step 4, you're going to exit that bus at the Woodside 61st Street Station. And at the Woodside 61st Street Station, step 5, you're going to enter the E subway station onto the platform that's going toward the World Trade Center, which is toward Manhattan. So if it doesn't say Manhattan, don't get on that platform. Go to the platform that says Manhattan or World Trade Center, because that's where you want to go. The subway runs 24 hours a day, and once you're on the subway at this particular station, it will take you up to 40 minutes to arrive at 42nd Street Times Square Station. So, number 6, you've arrived at 42nd Street Times Square Station. Follow the signs that say to Street. When you follow those signs, it's likely going to be a staircase that you have to, or an escalator that you have to go up from. Then you're going to find yourself in the heart of bright lights, big city, the legendary Times Square, Hell's Kitchen, the West Side, Clinton, the Broadway Bedroom District, whatever you want to call it. Those are some of the things that New Yorkers lovingly call it. Welcome to New York. Have a marvelous time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm not only going to be talking about things to do and places to go in New York City, but all of New York State. And guess what? You will be originating in New York City, and I'll be posting a lot of information about places to go. One of the places I'm posting here is going to be the Metropolitan Transit Museum. So look for that in the links that I leave here, among others that I think are Ellis Island, the Statue of Liberty. Those are basic, but there are going to be things like the Commerce Museum that no one's telling you about, but you can find marvelous New York City history, and some of the details I'm going to be leaving in the comment section. Thank you. Have a wonderful time in New York.